Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 4. Thank you very much, everyone, for your work on your curriculum-based assessment. I'm almost done reading and providing feedback on your drafts. So if you have any questions about that feedback, please let me know. Or if you need additional assistance with your curriculum-based assessment assignment, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd be very happy to go through your assignment with you, answer any questions you have, talk you through anything that you are hung up on. You're going to be submitting your final CBA just to As You Learn. If there's any verbiage anywhere about TK20, please ignore it. Or you can let me know that it's still there, but we're not putting it on TK20 anymore. So it's due on this Friday. So again, if you submitted a project, you will get your feedback by the end of the day if you haven't already. And if you haven't submitted a project and you still want some feedback, just go ahead and submit it, but drop me an email so I remember to look at it, because things just keep moving forward. Okay, so that's your CBA. Let me know if you have questions or need assistance. So this week we're going to be focusing on standards-based grading and feedback. So standards-based grading, that really relates to the concept of mastery learning that we started the semester out with. And we're reading the Rethinking Grading text by Kathy Vatterott. Remember that it's available online, so you can access it through our library as an ebook. So what I would like for us to do with this text is we're going to discuss it as a class using our online discussion forum, and then you're going to submit an individual response to the text, just like a 2-page or response. So I have our online discussion forum here, and again, the purpose for this is just for us to have a class discussion since we're an online class. It's nice to, have an exchange of ideas. So I have 3 topics, and then this one, your questions and topics, that's like the open discussion forum topic. So if you have any of your own questions or like a quote that really spoke to you or anything like that, you want to post it in there. So you're going to post your own initial response and then respond to 2 of your peers. And hopefully this will help you think through some of your ideas that you might want to include in your paper. Okay, so that's standards-based grading. I think this book is interesting, and I hope that you enjoy reading it as well. The second topic that we're going to be focusing on this week is feedback. So for this topic, I posted 3 different articles for us to look through and to think about, okay, what's effective feedback look like? And then this activity is a whole class activity like that we are going to do together. So you don't have to make a copy of this Google document. You just click on here after you do the readings and you look over the feedback that the teachers gave to the students and tell me, what did you think was good? What could be improved? If you were the student, what would you learn from the feedback? And any other comments. And there's a few different examples. You can pick 1 or 2 to respond to, whatever you like. So that way we can kind of, again, share some ideas with one another and get a sense of, what constitutes beneficial feedback for students. So the last topic that we're going to be looking at this week is conferencing. And this relates to chapter 12 in our text. And in addition to that, I did post an article from Edutopia, a very short one, helpful tips for having conferences with students whose parents might speak languages other than English. And there's a couple of different videos here that you can also check out related to conferences. So that is an overview of our content for this week. So the primary assignments that you're going to be completing this week will be your curriculum-based assessment and then the response to the VATR article. I think that's about it. Yeah, and next week we'll get started on the assessment of student learning. Since that is, it's not an insignificant project, and you'll just have the 1 week to work on it. I'll go ahead and get that, make sure it's all set for you, and I'll probably shoot you all another video about that this week in case there's people that want to get started on it this week. So I think that's about it for today. I hope you're having a good Monday and check you soon.